Hello, my name is Pegon Poma. You can call me James or sorry. And I'm graduated from Bangkok University. And my faculty is Business Administration. And in majoring is the International Business Management. And the reason why I would like to come to join the MaruCHOT school because I would like to change my career path from business to be the food and beverage. That's why I would like to choose some school that have the great potential or look like the professionals in food and beverage. And after I read the article or something like the advertisement, and I saw that MaruCHOT have the most professional teacher to teach about the F&B. That's why I choose MaruCHOT. And I would like to, I have dream to work as the cruise ship staff on the ship. That's why I would like to come right here and study in the MaruCHOT.
Hello, my name is Turkey Gaezong, but you can call me Coco. I used to drink so much. I used to enjoy my life so much, and I wasted my time maybe over 2 years. And then I started to find a way to get a job and build a new career based to my hobby and lifestyle. So I found out this place. I want to work as a bartender because I want to enjoy every moment, every single time, and I want to watch everyone's happiness, and I want to make everyone smile because of my dreams. So I try to be here, and then I will try my best to get a job, and maybe over 2 or 3 months I'll be ready for this course. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Om. I am the massage therapist on the cruise ship, but I would like to take a new challenge like a bartender. That's why I choose this school to give me opportunity for my dream come true. And this is my 1 minute review.
Hello, my name is Chakurin Banyam. My nickname is Boss. I'm 28 years old. I come here to study in the Maru because I want to do the job as a bartender. I want to mix the food because I just work before this, and I want to give the happiness to my customer. I want everyone to be happy and enjoy food. When you come to party, I will do it party for work.
Hello, my name is Chiyani Sengthong, but you can call me Frog. I'm 21 years old. I graduated from MaruCHOT University. My major is Maritime Business. Why I choose to study in MaruCHOT? Because I know from my friend Sandy, she learned here, and that's why I choose here. And
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello, my name is Metavi, or you can call me Eun. I am graduated from Kasetsat University of the Eastern Language, and I choose to studying in MaruCHOT because of I saw many reviews in the YouTube and on the Facebook, so I decided to study here. And this is my 1 minute English talk. Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is วชิรยา Kusipa. My name is Nina. Study as MaruCHOT because I would like work as crew, and I would like to work new challenge, and I see MaruCHOT as a Facebook
Hello everyone, my name is Gavin Vandesha Sudipong. You can call me Kat. I am 28 years old right now. I'm graduated at Hotel University, Bachelor degree of English and Chinese International Program. Well, I came here because I hope MaruCHOT make my big dream go on ships, go on cruise, and I need $1 million per year. That's why I'm here, and I need more experience and study a lot from MaruCHOT.
Hello, my name is Chanawachai Ananan, or you can call me James for short. I graduated from Silpakorn University in Bachelor of Art Thai major, and I see MaruCHOT school from the partnership application that I search for how to work on the cruise ship, and I found a guest teacher from MaruCHOT school. His name is Chat, but I don't remember his full name. And then I look up his Facebook. I saw he shared the MaruCHOT post about the achievement of his student, and I came up to study here. Thank you.